Let me show you how to disconnect a specific user, not all the users. So if we run here, let me clear both screens. So if we run here aerodump ng and our wireless adapter interface name, I'll press Ctrl C. So what we can see here, this is my network. I want to attack it. By the way, you can attack any network, not only this WEP. You can attack WPA2 the same way and it will work just fine. So here, this is my network and this is one of the stations connected to my network. So I don't want to disconnect all the clients, all the users connected to my router. Just I want to disconnect this specific user. So what I have to do here, let me write again here airplay ng --help. In the replay options, we have selected A for the access point MAC address, and now here we can select C for destination MAC address. We will run the same command here and we will choose C to specify the station I want to disconnect for this specific network. As we said, Ctrl Shift C and Ctrl Shift V for paste. Then we can run this attack. Now if we run this attack here without running aerodump ng for this specific network, we will get a wrong channel. So we have to go here and run aerodump ng for this network and specify channel 11 with our wireless LAN name. This command or this tool will not disconnect any clients or users. It will just show us an information about this network. So we will run it first and we just will make sure this is running on channel 11. Yes. Then we will run this command as is and it will take the correct channel. So here it will just disconnect this user regardless whether it's a PC, a tablet or mobile phone.